If you clicked on this video, chances are you know what ChatGPT is. Chances are you've opened an account and maybe you're even paying for ChatGPT services, which I'm currently doing for $20 a month. This is not sponsored, by the way. If you've clicked on this video, you want no bullshit ChatGPT prompts and you want the best of the best. Well, good news, that's what I'm here to deliver on. Go ahead and click in the description and you can copy and paste my favorite ChatGPT prompts and just cut right to the bullshit. Skip the rest of this video. Everything's in the description. But for those of you that want to stick around and hear me kind of elaborate on these prompts, I appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe. And what prompts am I forgetting? Please, I'm always looking for the next best prompt for ChatGPT. It's completely unlocked my business. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Act like an expert in X. This sets up a framework with ChatGPT to act like an expert, and believe me, it goes above and beyond. You might even need to simplify it and ask it to dumb itself down a little bit if it's a little too complex. But if you start a framework with acting like an expert in whatever creative field or whatever endeavor you want to talk about, trust me, it will do so and it will act like an expert. So lead that one with caution, but it is an amazing framework. Present the information in a table, or don't write about X. That's the one thing I always offer when it comes to advice. I got my wife into ChatGPT and she's using it for SEO to optimize her website. And sometimes I have to tell her, hey, tell ChatGPT, do not write about X. If it starts meandering about something that you don't necessarily want it to go into, tell it not to write about it. Sometimes you have to instruct it. ChatGPT is only as powerful as your imagination. The antithesis is only explain X, or you are X. You are an expert. You are a teacher. You are a doctor. You are a content creator. You are a skateboarder. Tell it that it is what it is, and it will operate through that framework. For this target audience is a great starting jumping off point for ChatGPT, and I highly recommend it. Write a long explanation. Ooh, these are really, really good for blogs. This is really, really good for SEO. This is good for writing content on LinkedIn. Write a long explanation about X. Create a list of X, Y, and Z. Those of you already know, if you're watching this video, you've probably asked it to summarize a book or to create a bulleted summary based on X, Y, and Z. But to create a list of X, Y, and Z is pretty powerful, and I highly recommend it. Here's one that is a massive unlock. Produce a detailed plan for X, Y, and Z. You can even ask it to write a mission statement for your business. You can ask it to write a business plan for your business, and it does so. And lastly, give me a step-by-step instruction for X, Y, and Z. Absolutely amazing for creating how-to content on social media, and I highly recommend it. If you like this video and you found it valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe. And what did I miss? What are some incredible ChatGPT prompts that I can use for my business? I'm a content creator. I'm a filmmaker based out of Austin, Texas. I'm a personal videographer, editor, and professional podcaster. What can I use to optimize my business? Please, I'm dying to know. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep a force field around your heart, and I'll catch you guys on the next installation of ChatGPT, this series here on YouTube. Peace.